BMPT Terminator. This is a vehicle born from a harsh reality. Tanks are powerful, but they don't always react fast enough to threats around them, especially against troops hidden in urban areas or dense terrain. That's where something different was needed. More agile, more responsive, and built specifically for direct engagement against infantry. Equipped with dual 30mm automatic cannons with a high rate of fire, it can saturate entire areas in seconds, creating constant pressure that makes any approach extremely difficult. This isn't just about physical damage, it's about psychological impact. The continuous sound of gunfire, combined with precision and volume, creates a presence that intimidates before direct contact even happens. With around 48 tons of armor and a design meant to advance alongside tanks, it acts as an offensive shield, protecting and clearing the path at the same time. The name Terminator is no coincidence. It was built to eliminate threats with speed and intensity. T-14. Armata. This is a vehicle that represents a complete break from the traditional concept of tanks. For decades, armored warfare followed the same logic. Crew inside the turret, constant exposure to risk, and heavy reliance on direct human vision. Here, that changes entirely. The turret is fully automated and unmanned, while the crew is protected inside an isolated armored capsule within the hull. This not only significantly increases survivability, but also transforms how the vehicle operates on the battlefield. Equipped with a high-precision 125mm cannon and advanced detection systems, it can identify threats before being seen. Its reactive armor and active protection systems are designed to intercept incoming projectiles, adding an extra layer of defense. But what truly stands out is how it integrates technology, sensors, and automation to reduce human vulnerability in critical situations. In the end, it's not just a stronger tank. It's a clear sign that the future of ground combat is driven by protection, information, and anticipation. Ripsaw M5. This is a vehicle that completely redefines ground combat by removing the human factor from the equation. Unlike traditional armored vehicles, it does not require a crew on board, operating remotely or in semi-autonomous modes. This allows it to be deployed directly into high-risk zones without putting lives in danger. Extremely fast for a combat vehicle, it combines aggressive mobility with a low-profile design that is harder to detect. Its platform is fully modular, capable of being equipped with different weapon systems, sensors, and mission-specific configurations depending on the objective. More than just raw power, it represents a strategic shift toward using machines in place of soldiers on the front line. In the end, it's not just a vehicle. It's a clear sign that the future of ground warfare will be faster, smarter, and increasingly unmanned. Panther KF51. This is a vehicle equipped with one of the largest and most powerful cannons ever installed on a modern tank. Featuring a 130mm main gun, it delivers a level of firepower that surpasses current standards, capable of engaging targets at long distances with greater efficiency and impact. But it was not designed for brute force alone. This tank represents a new generation of combat, where technology and information are just as important as firepower. It can operate integrated with drones, external sensors, and digital systems that expand battlefield awareness, allowing it to identify and react to threats much faster. In addition, its modular design enables constant upgrades, keeping the vehicle ready for evolving scenarios. AbramsX. This is a vehicle defined by its hybrid system, which reduces heat and noise, making it more efficient and harder to detect on the battlefield. It represents an evolution of modern tanks, going beyond brute force and focusing on technology and automation. It features systems that assist the crew in real-time decision-making, along with integration with drones and external sensors that expand battlefield awareness. Its design also allows for a reduced crew, increasing efficiency while lowering risk. In the end, it shows that the future of ground combat will be less about exposure and more about intelligence, speed, and adaptability.